The connection is designed to serve a variety of design student. According to our survey, there are three groups of students being categorized according to different level of privacy. It is also show that although there are high percentage of students who loves to work individually and need personal space, they also wanted space to connect with friends. In order to bring all type of students together to create a strong community, there must be a connection for everyone. To be more directly, connection of differentiation is the concept of this architecture. This word specify the joining of diversity, provide both contrast and similar term. Starting with space dividing suited each type, then create simply connection from upper building to left building. After specify room type, there are cuttable space. Next, adding common space rely on pattern from the facial of surrounding building, then provide more connect route toward all of the building. Lastly, adding second skin facade to architecture. The building placement relied on ventilation through all building and provide viewpoint for all of the building by facing the balcony to west, north, and east side. The users enter a shared common space in the center through the main entrance, which they would follow the path to their residential hall. In this case, the common space in the center works as a connection between buildings. The residential hall is located around the shared space. Resident must pass through the security door before entering. For Building A, from the first floor to the fourth floor, residential rooms are located in the wings. At the connection between the two wings are an emergency stair exit and a relaxing area for the residents. Both buildings A and B can be entered from the bridge connecting each floor to the common area. There are different functions on each floor. There is a main staircase connecting all the levels in the center. The visitors can access all the space on the first floor including office, toilets, canteen and semi-outdoor area. However, only the resident with keycard can enter the second floor. The program of common space started with the most active area to the quietest area. All the important facilities are filled in the second floor. This included laundry, game room, and gym. The study room with the co-working space and individual workspace is located in the third floor. For standard unit type, a beginning with counter area and refrigerator and shared restroom, then followed by table and sofa in each side of the room. At the end will provide loft bed with private working area underneath the bed, and there is additional dresser as well. Resting area will be located near the balcony window in order to provide natural light and ventilation. Next, standard unit B will be counter and refrigerator and restroom at the beginning is same as type A, then a table for 4 nearby. This type will mainly obtain the privacy by using 4 loft beds and located near the window as well, then adding semi-height screen between each bed to enhance their own privacy while sleeping. And for other 2 additional optional design placement will show the concept of flexible furnishing by concerning about resident who wants working or relaxing space. As you can see in every elevation, the facade will cover all of residential building and leading to middle building. This refer to the main concept of connection of differences, that people will use the facilities in those common space and create connection between different kind of students. This architecture uses mostly similar material and goes along together. Brick with light color plaster cladding is exterior material. For flooring material, wooden planks was used in common space and some interior room. And lastly, the second skin facade is made of small wooden planks arranged into horizontal linear. The section will illustrate sense of connection between each building that's significantly connected to each other. Bridge and stair create good relationships in each floor, so this will lead to a good circulation because those bridge and stairs are connected to every floor and building at the same time. Moreover, there are facade shading visible from buildings and walking routes. The facade have involvement with the concept, connection of differentiation. There are 2 facade type which are alternative facade and wooden facade. Alternative facade is 4 long wooden partition which can folded and create many use case from this folding, for instance, shawing railing, clothes hanging, fully ventilated part. Next is the wooden facade. Ranging is light concentration by rotating each panel. The rotation is fixed, and each unit going to receive different pattern of the facade. Lastly, this facade can communicate the concept through design and usage of it. Connection of differentiation is the concept of this architecture. Firstly, with the design of all building and walking route, this illustrate the concept directly from attempt of connect all types of student together into common space. Next, the facade language starting from providing solid alternative facade and wooden facade. The attempt is connect in both horizontal and vertical side, and the pattern going to be as the illustrated. Moreover, the facade placement is refer to the spread-like pattern into the common space. Thank you for listening.